Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best lug nut key is probably one of the most overlooked tools in your car. It's the unsung hero that stands between you and a flat tire, or worse, a roadside headache. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right one? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of lug nut keys, exploring what makes a good one, and helping you find the perfect fit for your needs. Number 5. McGard 24157 Chrome Wheel Lock Set. This is the McGard Wheel Lock Set. It's designed to keep your wheels secure. The set is made with high-quality materials for durability. These wheel locks are manufactured in the USA. They are built to meet or exceed the standards set by the original equipment manufacturers. McGard is a major supplier to automotive OEMs. The product is trusted by many car manufacturers around the world. The wheel locks are designed for safety and durability. They are made to withstand various conditions. McGard wheel locks are used in over 30 car lines globally. You can trust it to protect your wheels. What we like. This wheel lock meets the highest OEM standards, ensuring safety and durability. It's manufactured in the USA, guaranteeing quality and reliability. If you prioritize the best, and want a wheel lock trusted by major car manufacturers, you should consider this. What people say. The fit for the 2025 Kia K4 LXS was spot on. High quality you will appreciate. Easy to install and appear to be good quality. Number 4. Dynofit 8-piece Lug Nuts Key Kit. This 8-piece master set is a versatile lug nut key kit and spline socket set. It's designed for safely removing and installing popular aftermarket lug nuts on custom rims. This set makes the job easy. The kit includes 6 standard spline keys and 2 upgraded deep sockets. This multifunctional set is your go-to wheel lock removal tool. It's designed to fit a variety of lug nut sizes. Forged from premium chrome vanadium steel, this socket set offers exceptional strength. The precise teeth and shape provide a secure grip, preventing breakage even under high stress. You can rely on it. Our tools undergo a rigorous 72-hour salt spray test and feature a tough black electrophoretic coating. This improves rust and corrosion resistance, ensuring a longer service life. It's built to last. You'll receive the Dynofit 8-piece Lug Nut Key set in an orange plastic case. It also includes a 12-month warranty and our friendly customer service. Get yours today. What we like. This 8-piece kit is a complete solution for removing and installing various spline lug nuts. It offers wide compatibility with different aftermarket rims. If you have custom rims and need a versatile, durable tool, this is the one for you. What people say. Great product and super fast shipping. Perfect fit, great replacement for the factory lug nuts. Great sockets, well made, very impressed. An additional one for the garage one to keep in the vehicle. Build quality is durable and the sizes all fit perfectly. Number 3. Wheel Accessories Chrome Wheel Lock for Honda Hyundai Kia. Introducing these wheel locks, designed to provide the ultimate security for your aftermarket wheels. This set ensures a perfect fit and reliable performance, giving you peace of mind on the road. This set includes 4 locks and a key, featuring M12X 1.5 threads and a chrome finish. The one-piece construction and heat-treated carbon steel ensure durability and a long lifespan. These wheel locks are compatible with various vehicles, including Acura, Honda, Hyundai, and Kia models. They are specifically designed for aftermarket wheels, ensuring a secure fit. The dual-hex key design makes installation easy. The wheel locks are designed for long-term durability under daily driving conditions. With a premium chrome coating, these locks offer excellent corrosion protection. They are built to SAE standards and are ideal for various climates. This set includes everything you need for a quick upgrade. Install these locks and enhance both the appearance and safety of your vehicle. What we like. This wheel lock features a dual-hex key design, perfect for aftermarket wheels. It's specifically designed for aftermarket wheels and offers excellent corrosion resistance. If you are looking for an upgrade for your vehicle's appearance and need a reliable, corrosion-resistant solution, you should choose it. What people say. Quick and easy installation. Looks great. Matches existing lug nuts. And the best part, they're black and not that ugly chrome. Fast ship and fit perfectly on my Hyundai Ioniq 6. These wheel locks provide peace of mind. Easy installation. Number 2. Spline Lug Nut Socket Set, easy removal. Tired of struggling with stubborn lug nuts? This set makes removing broken, rusted, or rounded off wheel locks easy. It's designed to tackle various fasteners, saving you time and effort. This master key set works with a broad range of anti-theft lug nuts. It includes multiple spline sizes, ensuring it fits many cars, trucks, and SUVs. You'll likely find the right fit for your vehicle. Whether you're a mechanic or a home repair enthusiast, this set is a must-have. It's ideal for tire changes, brake jobs, and wheel removals. You'll always have the right tool when the original is missing. Crafted from high-quality chrome moly steel, this tool is built for durability. Its thick wall construction and dual hex head design provide strength and compatibility. You can rely on it for years to come. While this set covers most common sizes, it may not fit all lug nut types. We recommend checking your wheel lock size before purchasing. Make sure it matches the sizes listed to ensure a perfect fit. What we like. This set makes removing broken or frozen wheel locks easy. It is compatible with a wide range of anti-theft lug nuts. If you are a mechanic or a DIY enthusiast who needs a reliable tool for various vehicles, you should consider this. What people say. The fitment is spot on, they work perfectly with the lug nuts on my Jeep, no issues whatsoever. The quality is solid, and the sockets feel durable. Worked great, able to remove wheel nuts with ease, and then we reinstalled the wheel nuts without any effort. Number 1. Steelman Pro 1/2-inch Star Lug Nut Key. This tool is designed for easy removal of spline-style aftermarket lug nuts. It makes the job simple and efficient, saving you time and effort. Featuring a 10.12-inch star tip, this key fits perfectly inside corresponding tuner-style security lugs. This ensures a secure and reliable grip for removal. Made from heat-treated chrome vanadium steel, this tool is built to withstand a lifetime of use. You can count on it for durability and consistent performance. The extra-long design keeps wrenches away from your wheels, preventing nicks and scratches. It provides added protection while you work. The key head is designed to fit both 13/16-inch and 7/8-inch sockets and lug wrenches. This ensures it's compatible with a wide range of vehicles. What we like. This lug nut key features a unique 10-point star tip for easy spline-style lug nut removal. It's made of heat-treated chrome vanadium steel for durability. If you like a tool that can keep wrenches away and prevent scratches, you should consider it. What people say. Fits right on. Worked exactly as I needed to remove them without stripping them or causing me more headaches. Exactly what I needed. Couldn't find it at AutoZone or any local stores, so I was glad to see it on Amazon. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.